Hi, welcome back. This is now the 9th video of the Shibashi Qigong series. Okay, so at the end of this one, we'll be halfway through. So a quick recap. I'm sorry if this is tiresome, but we're going to recap each of the moves. The purpose of this is to get you into the swing of moving from one move to the next. And plus it'll save you having to revert back to all the other videos each time you start a new one. Okay, so we've covered so far raising the arms, sinking down, opening the chest, painting the rainbow, separating the clouds, rolling the arms, rowing a boat in a still lake, raising the sun, looking back at the moon, and now for today's move, twisting the waist and pushing the palms. Okay, so we've come back from there where we've looking back at the moon, coming down, shifting the weight down, feet forward, hands in a loose fist on your hips. Okay, so then we'll inhale and then exhale, and we'll gently push and twist. Firstly to the left, then we'll take the left arm and twist to the right. Okay, so the inhale will start first time as you're moving the hand out to the side, inhale, and then you'll exhale to the left. Then you'll start to inhale as you draw the hand back, continue to inhale as you move the arm out to the side, and then exhale as you start the press this way. Okay, so we can just practice that a couple of times. Just inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Right, so if we look at the bottom half of the body, you'll notice that the weight is twisting. So we're making sure we're getting that twist on the waist, but also the weight is shifting. So when we're moving the right hand over to the waist, over to the left, you'll notice we've got the twist and the shift of weight this side, and then it'll be the opposite side this way. So we're exercising the muscles in the legs as we shift from side to side. The twisting of the torso will massage the kidneys, the spleen, also the lower back. So this is useful for lower back issues, but also twisting the spine and the upper part of the spine as well. So just practicing inhale, exhale. The eyes will follow the hands. So on the left side, the eyes for hand-eye coordination. Then change the gaze to the right hand and the same again. The attention will be in the center of the palms in terms of acupuncture points. So exhale as you push. Imagine that you're moving the sides of the room out as you exhale. But we're just using internal power, internal strength. We're keeping the muscles as relaxed as possible. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Okay, so you can keep practicing that one. As I said, with all the other movements, they can be practiced in solo on their own. You don't need to put them as part of a form, but obviously you can imagine the benefits you get once you start to stack all these movements up together. Again, you've took time out to watch this video, looking at your, taking a bit of time for your own well-being and that, and also that benefits other people as well. So that's a good decision. So yeah, thanks for checking out this video. If you find it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share them. And in the next episode, we'll look at the next movement. You can find these other movements in more detail on the channel, as well as the Shibashi being practiced in its entirety as well. Okay, so stay safe, look after yourself and each other, and I'll see you in the next episode. Take care.